Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, I made a boo-boo last night. I forgot to pick the winner so I can announce it in this morning's video. But in the description box of this morning's video, I do now have the winner there. So be sure and check that out to see if you are in fact the winner. You could be and just don't know it yet. And remember, the prize was $100. Well, will anything happen today that will be good to help the American people? We can only hope and pray. Please check out my links below in the description box. It may be something there you want. Okay, let's dig into today's stimulus news. You know how Nancy Pelosi and Steve Mnuchin has been saying that they are very close on reaching an agreement? Well, it's not looking that way to me. Check out what's happening now. Mark Meadows is saying that every time Steve Mnuchin and Nancy Pelosi gets close to an agreement, Nancy Pelosi moves the goalpost, and then they have to start all over, trying to please her again. That don't sound very close to me. Tell me what you think about this in the comments below, but it's not close to me. They both are still working every day. They say. In public, they say that they are working every day and that it is very productive, and feel that very optimistic to getting a deal very soon. I don't see that. I don't see them being productive. I don't feel optimistic that they will get a deal soon, because frankly, I don't think they want a deal. From what Mark Meadows said, this don't sound productive. It don't sound productive at all to me. And it sure as hell don't sound like they're getting close to a deal. All I hear is hot air. All I see is the same old can getting kicked further down the road. Personally, I think, and I pray I will be wrong on this, but I don't see a deal until after the election. And then I still don't see a deal until after the first of the year, because they're going to still be kicking that can down the road, prolonging it as long as they can. And we won't see any help from our government until after the first of the year. This is just my opinion. I know it's not what people want to hear. I know it's not positive. Well, it is positive. I'm positive that's probably what's going to happen. All of these mixed messages coming from our government is just nauseating to me. And that's why I say we need to give them all their pink slips on November the 3rd. This will not only get rid of them, but it will send a strong message to the incomers that we, the people, are pissed off and we are not going to take their BS anymore. Y'all, the bottom line is our government to our government, we are not even worth $200 a month. That is what it is if you divide that stimulus check that we got 6 months ago by $1,200 by 6 months. That's $200. And the longer this BS goes on, the lower that $200 actually is. If that's how they feel about us, that we're less, that we're worth only $200 and even less, we need to vote them all out of office. There are so many people that saying they're not voting because it's not worth their time. They couldn't be no more wrong. It is worth your time. If you don't vote, you don't have a voice. If you don't vote, you don't have room to complain. If deep down inside you are wanting one candidate, but you decide not to vote at all, well, you just gave your vote to the other candidate. This is the most important election of our life. Our lives depend on it. Our livelihood depends on it. Our future depends on it. You have to get out and vote. Don't let them steal your voice from you. And that is what they will be doing if you don't go vote. Y'all, I'm going to talk about the next contest. It will be this next Sunday. I don't know how much money it will be. You'll have to come back and see if it will be money or a prize. I'm not sure yet, but it's at 6 a.m. every Sunday morning. And please, don't send me your answers to the question. Put it in the comment box below. That's the only way you're going to be entered into the contest. That is where I pick the winners from. If you think sending me an email with your message is going to get you in front of the line, it won't even get you in the contest. So you got to do exactly what the contest calls for. And y'all, this morning I am sorry I forgot to pick the winner and put it in the video like I was supposed to. I forgot to do that, so I went back and I typed it in the description box below. Y'all be sure and check it out. I will put it in the description box, but I will also make a pinned comment of who it is. So if you can't, some people can't open the description box. So if you can't, just come back and after the video goes live, I will put it as a pinned comment so everyone can see it without opening up that description box, if that makes sense. And I am sorry I did that. It's the first time I've ever forgot to pick a winner before I made the video. At the very end of the video is when I realized I made that mistake. I didn't want to redo the whole video again. So that's how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to put the name in the description box and as a pinned comment. So y'all be sure and check that out. If y'all didn't see last night's show, Late Night with Walter, we have decided, I asked everybody that was on it, and everybody agrees, and they said exactly really what I wanted them to say. I asked them, did they want me to continue to talk about stimulus stuff there, or just keep it lighthearted and talk about other things? Just about everybody said, keep it lighthearted, just talk, let's talk about other things. I think there was 2 people that said they still want the stimulus there. That is exactly what I wanted to hear. So if y'all didn't see it, or if y'all hadn't seen a Late Night with Walter show, please go check it out. I will link it at the end of this video. But it's lighthearted stuff. We're just laid back talking like friends, because you are my friends. Without y'all, I would not have a YouTube channel. And I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for that. And I do not take you lightly. You are the driving force behind this channel. You are the reason I am here. So, if I don't answer your questions, just know it's just me, and it's a lot of questions. I can't it wouldn't be right to answer a few questions and not all of them. But now on that late night show, I do strive to answer every question. And I don't answer it in the comments. I answer it in the next night's video so everybody can hear it. And that will give me a chance to give you a shout out also. Y'all, I do love you all. We will get out of this better than we were before with the grace of God on our side. And He's always on our side. Even in our darkest hours, He is on our side. I learned that the hard way. He taught me a good lesson. Y'all, I love you all. Until the next time. I don't know if I'll make another video today or not. If something happens good today, I will come back. But if not, just catch me at 10 o'clock tonight on Late Night with Walter on the same YouTube channel. I love you all. Ciao.